Assalamualaikum students, welcome in Mathematics Point. Today I'm here with Basic Geometry chapter, exercise 8A, question number 5, 6 and 7. So first of all, we start with the question number 5 and draw the figure of question number 5. Okay, Ji. Now before moving towards the solution, I request to my audience kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. So as I just draw the figure of the question number 5 part A, you can see on the screen that we have an angle on a straight line AOB. Okay, first of all you have to consider that this straight line AOB, the sum of all the angles on a straight line is equal to 180. Okay, the sum of whatever the angles you have on a straight line, so sum of these angles on a straight line is equal to 180. Now here we just revise the concept of adjacent angles. What are the adjacent angles? Adjacent angles क्या होते हैं? That have the first of all have the common vertex. I just draw the angle A and B here. They share a common vertex. ये vertex point होता है हमारे पास. When two lines join, the common point is called the vertex. So this is called the vertex. They share a common vertex. They have a common side, जिसको मैं अभी zigzag से represent कर रही हूँ. इनकी common side होती है. And they are on the opposite side of the common side. जी common side है, इनके opposite sides में angles होते हैं. So इन angles को हम adjacent angles कहते हैं. So this question is based on the adjacent angles. Okay, ji, now by using that property, the sum of all the angles on a straight line is equal to 180. So we have two angles, A and the second is 33. So A and 33 इससे ज़्यादा भी angles हो सकते थे because the sum of all the angles on a straight line is equal to 180. Now we have to move the constant toward the other side of the equal. A को इधर रखें, variable shift करवा दें 180. सॉरी constant को shift करा दें, plus 33 equal की दूसरी तरफ minus 33 हो जाएगा. So we have to find out the value of A. A is equal to 180. 180 minus 33. So this is equal to 147. So this is the value of A. Now we move towards the second part. Okay, ji. Now I just draw the figure B. It is a straight line on the book. Just I draw a free hand drawing, so it's not straight here. So you have just consider that AOB is a straight line, and again we have some angles. So sum of all the angles on a straight line is equal to 180. So by using that property, we have to sum of all the angles. So for the first angle is B. Okay, ji, the second is 42, and the third is 73. You can write on sum of all the angles is equal to 180, or here you can also write that adjacent angles on a straight line, that is AOB. Okay, ji. Now you have to add up those angles. 42 plus 73. Okay, ji, is equal to 115. On the other side we have 108 by using the property. Okay, so now move the constant towards the other side of the equal. So here we just use the concept of the basic algebra, in which we learn how we saw the variables are in the constants. Constants को आप equal की दूसरी तरफ move करवाएंगे तो उनके sign हो जाते हैं change. So 180 minus 115, so this is equal to 65. So the value of B here we have 65 degree. Now move towards the part C. Okay, ji. In the figure C, again we have the straight line. Now it is not necessary कि आपके हमेशा एंगल स्ट्रेट लाइन में इस तरह से होने चाहिए. ठीक है, आपकी स्ट्रेट लाइन ऐसी भी है, इस तरह से भी हो सकते हैं. जो पार्ट बी था हमारा, अब देखिए हमारे पास इस तरह से स्ट्रेट लाइन आपने कंसीडर करनी है. ऐसे स्ट्रेट लाइन ऐसे भी हो सकती है, यूँ भी एंगल हो सकते हैं, स्टॉप टिल्ट फॉर्म में भी हो सकती है. तो स्ट्रेट लाइन किसी भी फॉर्म में हो सकती है. सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स ऑन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इज इक्वल टू 180. आपने ये नहीं सोचना कि हमारी स्ट्रेट लाइन तो ऐसी थी, ये ऐसी क्यों है, ये ऐसी क्यों है. किसी तरह भी स्ट्रेट लाइन आपके पास हो सकती है, वट एवर दे आर गिवन. So this is the name of the straight line. As in this we have the straight line AOB. So we always have to consider that all the angles, sum of all the angles in a straight line is equal to 180. वो logic आपने अपने पास रखनी है, वो rule वैसे ही apply होगा. Now we have to find out the values. Okay जी. Here we have the angles. First angle आपके पास है, that is 4C. Second is 80. Third is C. And the sum of all the angles in a straight line is equal to 180. ठीक है. Or now we have to add up the variable 4C plus C. Variable same है, so they can add 4 plus 1 5C. Constant चाहे तो इसी स्टेप में मूव करवा लें, चाहे नेक्स्ट में मूव करवा लें. So 5C is equal to 180 minus 80. So that is equal to 100. 5c. Now we have to divide the coefficients. 5 2s are 10 and 0 as 8, so that is the value of c. C is equal to 20. Okay, now we move towards the D part. That is the last part of the question number 5. Okay, now the question number 5 part D is, we just draw the figure. Again we have two angles in a form of variables. Okay, so again we have to apply the law that all the angles on a straight line, the sum of all the angles on a straight line is equal to 180. Sum of all the angles, that again we have to sum those angles. That is, the first is 4D plus 16. ठीक हो गया. देन द सेकेंड एंगल, चाहो तो ब्रैकेट लिख लो, वैसे तो प्लस है सम में, ब्रैकेट लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन जिन स्टूडेंट्स को मसला है तो ऐसे ब्रैकेट पे लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट एंगल एंड द सेकेंड एंगल, ये फर्स्ट एंगल है, सेकेंड एंड दीज टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल टू 180. नाउ वी हैव टू ऐड द वेरिएबल्स. 4D plus 2D is equal to 60. Then the constant 6 and 4 10, 0 1 carry 1 2 or 3, that is 30. यानी कि 16 plus 14 is equal to 30 and 180. ओके जी, वी हैव टू शिफ्ट द कांस्टेंट टुवर्ड्स द अदर साइड. जब भी कांस्टेंट को या किसी भी टर्म को इक्वल की वन साइड से सेकंड या राइट से लेफ्ट या लेफ्ट से राइट में आप शिफ्ट करवाते हैं, सो उनका साइन जो होता है वो इन्वर्स हो जाता है, चेंज हो जाता है. सो ये माइनस प्लस क्या हो जाएगा, -30. सो 60 इज इक्वल टू हियर 150. Now we divide the coefficient on both sides. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 3 carry on 0, so it's become 30, 6 5s are 30. So the answer of D is 25 degree. Okay students, so we have done with our question number 5. Inshallah in the next video we will solve question number 6 and 7. So if you have any query regarding to the question number 5, so you can write your query in the comment section. So take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.